Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Justin and
Tajani.
And what are we gonna do today, shorty?
We're doing a mukbang of our first mukbang of doing ramen noodles. And explain.
So we're gonna talk about whatever we're gonna talk about. You guys will find out soon. And
We're doing the chili one, the hot one.
And we're gonna eat our noodles with chili flavor. Bruh, it's gonna make me poop, but it's all
Don't
good.
tell me, man. That's gross. Okay. Let's get started.
So what you talk about?
See, we're gonna have real food.
Yeah, soon.
This is just our first mukbang, so.
Yeah.
See.
I'm
gonna wait for him. We can talk about anything.
So, what do you want to be? What do you want to be in the future, like for the both of us?
I was kidding. What kind of videos? What kind of videos do you want to do next time?
I don't know. So
I changed the subject, but anyways, go.
I was thinking like a day. You
gotta eat too, boy.
Okay. I was thinking about like a morning routine, like what we do in the morning time. And no, we don't do this every day, but so I don't want you guys to comment. Oh, you guys don't do this every day, but we do. What? I don't know.
Okay.
Something like that. I don't know.
But you know what? I look good.
You just hit my eye.
Good. Let's make some jokes.
I got that super hot fire.
No, that's not a joke. Make a joke.
So, my forehead is so big, you could eat dinner off of it. What?
Your forehead's so big that it hurt your mama, you know.
Yeah, when I came out, you know. Yeah. So, my nose is so wide that I could smell what we're having next Thanksgiving.
No.
My forehead is so far back, people call me Kobe.
What do you like to wear?
Jordans, Nikes, Louis. No Gucci because Gucci's. Supreme. Babe. Ooh, what about you?
Nothing.
What?
I just like to wear. I just like to look good. For me. Yeah. Yeah. So, we made a new intro too.
Yeah. Ooh. So, if you guys
want to see a part 2, beating him up, boxing, come on. Bring it on.
Man, don't even grab my boxing gloves right now.
No.
Strap on your seatbelt because we're gonna ride, cuz. No.
Neither you want to get slapped.
Yes, I'm joking. Don't put your hands
Give
on
me a kiss. Oh.
Man. Okay. So.
Oh, I bit my lip.
If you guys.
You don't want to eat no more?
No, I'm eating.
It's burning my lip.
So,
I might be done with this video.
what do you like to watch, like movie-wise? Not on Netflix.
Netflix. Because you know some of those movies are on Netflix.
Like, she likes to watch Star, so shout out to Star. Ooh, I like to watch
Shout out to Star. Then,
Is it a Star, right?
I'm just kidding.
Okay. But I like to watch Empire. Grownish, blackish.
Guys, I really do not like noodles.
Yeah, it's like, I don't mind noodles, but...
But we're done with this video, so... Look at the noodles one more time.
Yeah, I barely ate, so... But it's all good.
Shut up. I want to make a lit video.
I can help you with that.
You mean both of us, but anyways.
Oh, yeah, both of us.
I really don't eat that much. I like to eat my, stuff that's delicious, not noodles. Okay. But if you like this video, like and subscribe. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That way.
Ooh.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes.